night on the Disney Fantasy. It's our third day. We have an exciting day. We spent the morning and afternoon at the pool. We all just showered. We have kids club wine tasting. Dad's going to get a massage after, while Lynn and I go do pirate makeover and Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique.
Get a massage.
It was for a Christmas present.
I know, but
You have to be an adult to get a massage.
one thing.
But you get Bibbidi Bobbidi.
One thing.
What?
Dad is just obeying the law.
He's a lawbreaker? His last name is Laws. How is he breaking the law?
Remember, I gave him Remember, the judge gave him a punishment of listening to me for 4 whole days.
Oh, yeah, because he cut your heel. So we are very excited for today. Tomorrow's the last day on the cruise. So come with us on Pirate Nights on the Disney Fantasy, lass. Yesterday was a sea day, and the pool was so packed, but we had a beautiful sea day. They always go down and find beautiful weather for sea days. I asked our stateroom attendant if they had any special sheets, and they had Moana, so we were surprised to come back yesterday to those after the morning cleanup. I got my triangle hash browns, which I'm such a fan of. We saw the Frozen matinee, and oh my gosh, so this is our first time on the Fantasy, and I think this might be my new favorite show. We had the most amazing cast, which really makes the whole show. The Anna actress was so funny, such a brilliant comedic actress, and was so talented. I teared up so many times. I think I like the show more than Moana. It was so good. And then we played some midship detective Muppets. We had dinner at Paolo, my husband and I. My daughter hurt herself. Luckily, it was as we were finishing dessert at Paolo in the kids club. She had ice on her lip. And that was pretty much it yesterday. And now for today.
Why isn't she knocking? You think she knows how to knock?
You can't film in Disney's theater, so that was from their YouTube channel. So we spent the morning at the pool. These are my favorite seats. They don't have loungers around the pool, so you can put your feet up on the steps there. And we were able to watch the front pool and how they open it in the morning. It was really cool. And then it was time for wine tasting. This way? So pretty. It's like where pink is. No, it's not.
Yes, sir. 2, I guess.
Is it Marcos?
Is that Rennie's? Okay.
It's so pretty. We haven't been in here yet.
Wine or anything that beverage comes from.
I did some shopping. I wanted a Disney Cruise Line mug and thought Captain Mickey was so cute. I got Landon this tank top and it has a little like bow. It's adorable. And every ship we go on, we get these. Then they have 40% off 2025. So these were a pretty good deal. So this will be good for our Disney tree. So cute. And a little shirt for Landon. Yeah. Looks just like the pool on deck. Is it actually working? Skull Island. Pirates in there now. It was princesses yesterday. I see the little parrots. Landon, look.
Oh my goodness.
Hi.
Okay. Yes. So what do we have here?
Which one do you like?
1 and 5. What does it mean?
One of these makeups, the parrot, eye patch, sword, earring, all the fun things.
Okay.
Landon doesn't have any allergies we should be aware of, or any
No.
skin sensitivities.
No?
Fantastic.
So, unfortunately, we can't. I actually don't know how to write. I'm just gonna write whatever here. I'm gonna see if we can.
Try your best.
You are a pirate. And you've been recently injured.
Yeah, let's see.
One extra pirate going forward.
Right here, pirate.
Wow.
Just like your makeup. Alright, so you were a pirate before, right?
And decided she did not like the vest, so we're going with a more piratey outfit. That's cool, Landon.
Okay. So who do you want to be? Want to punch in? It's 26, 37, 3.
Yay!
Yeah. What do you think?
24 carrots.
Yeah? And then it goes up to the sky. And you repeat after me. You say, I, Captain Liza,
Captain Liza.
pledge to be
Pledge to be
a true and honest pirate.
a true and maybe honest pirate.
We had a lovely time at the wine tasting. You get 6 different wines, like little tastings of it, and we had Marcos, who was our guy at Prima Notte. So I understood him better this time. I think he talked slower. Landon looks amazing. We have she didn't want to wear this, but she wants to wear, you want to wear this around a ponytail, right? Which I stole from her last one. She got another shoulder parrot, which we have 2 now. A Spyglasses does not magnify. The cinch bag, and so first she did, I think I said, oh, you have boot covers, Landon. Do you want to wear these tonight? You have boot covers, baby? And she looks too pretty to be a pirate. Is there something else? Oh, an earring and an eye patch. So we have like an hour and a half. Phil's finishing up his massage, and we have pirate night, which includes dinner and then the pirate show, which we love, at 7:30. And then we probably won't make it for the late night pirate show because she hates fireworks. So it's a fun day. I'm excited for dinner and the pirate show. Do you have any pirate things on, Phil?
Huh?
You're not piratey at all.
No, not piratey at all.
I got Phil a cat pirate shirt and he's not wearing it. It's too wrinkly. What about you don't want a scarf? How about you won't wear the scarf, you won't wear the parrot. Eye patch? You worried about your hair? It's made for kids.
Yes. That's way too small.
Alright. What about
Let's go, Lando.
what about an earring?
Let's go on your left side.
I think left in the 80s it meant you were gay, right?
That left was that you aren't gay.
That was mine. I wanted that.
You want to wear
It
that?
hurts my little ear anyway.
It's gonna hurt yours, Landon. Alright, we're going to Enchanted Garden.
It's gonna be a normal dad.
Okay.
A normal pirate dad.
No pirate at
My
all.
daughter ran off to sea to become a pirate.
Eliza, Captain Eliza.
I was a landlubber.
I'll put it on the. Oh, okay.
No, that works good.
Looks really good.
Doesn't hurt.
That's a good way to do it. All right, can we turn this off? Let's go. Where do you want to go?
I like to
Oh. My pirate girl is watching Toy Story. And this is the new Royal Caribbean's private area. You have to be on the royal ship to go on it. It's like $180 a day. Sail away time.
messing to a perfect dinner.
What?
The food.
You're gonna get bread? What?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? This may be the best one yet. That's so cool. Interesting dinner tonight at Enchanted Garden was Pirate Night, but it wasn't the Pirate Night menu. But we had a really good dinner. I didn't get any video. So our table mates, we were at Palo last night, but we met them on the first night, and I was like, oh, I'll bring you the beach bag that we got because they were first-time cruisers, and they didn't show up, and then they said tomorrow night they have Remy. So we aren't going to see them. So I'll give away the beach bag and the wet dry bag again, and a lanyard probably, yeah. So Phil absolutely loved his dinner tonight. It was like avocado, tuna stack. I think he had a prime rib. My entree wasn't good, but the tomato soup was like one of the best tomato soups we've ever had. In fact, Landon So if you don't know, order off of the adult menu if you have a kid, because the kids menu is kind of crappy. So she got a roast chicken with rice and then a tomato soup, and she loved the tomato soup so much. She had 2 cups of it, and I had one as well, and the romaine lettuce wedge, which was good. They had like a hummus for dipping sauce. So it was a really good dinner at Enchanted Garden, and when we were on the Dream, the Enchanted Garden did not open, and it did on the Fantasy. So that was lovely. So Phil and Landon actually, it's starting now, I have to go. They did the, they went out, I dropped some stuff off and they did the pirate show. So we're going to go up and watch my favorite pirate show. And then we're going to call it early night because we have a cabana tomorrow, our first cabana, Disney cabana. So come back for that and I'll see you guys then.
Without any further ado, let's introduce you to the rest of Mickey's pirate crew. Now, you think this first one would take pirate life like a duck to water? You'd be in luck. We're gonna be Buccaneer cheer from Pirate Donald Duck. Show crew, you know what to do.
Before we're on to something new, I see time for review.
Great idea! From the top and don't be slow. Ready, set, here we go! As per captain, ask you an order or ask you a question. Loud and proud say, aye, aye, captain!
Say that to mommy. Say that to mommy. Aye, aye, captain.
Never!
Into my crew, you must be the best. Are you ready for the last test?
Aye, aye, captain! Aye, aye, captain!
All right, crew, look alive. On to lesson number 5. Lesson number 5. Lesson number 5. What does a pirate love more than anything?
Beauty!
It's true! Welcome home to the pirate crew!
Come aboard, boys.
Look up below, you bilge rats!
Abandon your stations or prepare to take cold steel!
Welcome to the new cabin.
Oh my gosh, it is Anna.
All the way from
Anna. And her mic isn't working.
Yes, it is I. Mr. Smith, stethoscope.
Captain, all loose ends are tied up, so to speak. The ship is now yours to do with as you please. Enjoy.
Oh, I shall.
No, we're done. Is it good, Landon? Is it good?
Cross an island and dig up the treasure. No one will know.
Come on, let's go.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.